So now, after na to boiled, and then we fry it lang mura og banana cue, tangan og sugar. We are going to saute it na, and then we will make it like humba so that we can have a dim sum chicken feet. So this is garlic, onion, and chili. This one mga day, this is our vegetable lumpia. Later, this is ready for wrapping. Okay, so I just sauteed it, put a little of oyster sauce, salt and pepper, and other seasonings. So adding on the ginger, garlic, and onion together. Saute it until it goes wet. So, mag-translucent na gani ang onion. Now, we are going to put our feet. So, let's mix together. So, ako na siyang gibalhin og kaldero mga day para ato siyang mapabukal og ayo. Kaya we want it very tender. And we'll also be cooking dynamite. So, ato asang i-clean up ang chilies, big chilies ni mga day. So, actually, this is 120 pesos per kilo ay by 1/4. And then, we had cheese. So, kapuyan man ko dahil sandwich cheese na lang akong gigamit. And then, we put it under. And then, we are putting it i-stuff na to siya before na to siya i-wrap with a ground pork. So, ang atong ground pork, this is flour, starch, ground pork, and of course, seasonings. So, we are going to stuff our chilies with cheese. Now, let's siya tayo flatten. Like that. And we will put a ground pork. Actually, this is going to be used, this ground pork, ang sobra ani, this will be used for bula-bola day. Okay, Sunday karon, and we are going to make also a vegetable lumpia. Because I seldom cook now, and business ko dying. Karon, nakabawi ko. So, we are going to make mainly street foods na dili na mo makaon sa street. Maghiwa lang tag-atuwa day. Para sigurado tang limpyo and well done. So, akong gipalalom ang cheese para dili magawas. Like that. Okay. So, this is ready for wrapping na. So, for this morning, we are going to make chicken feet, dynamite, ground bola-bola, ground pork bola-bola, and we are going to make a vegetable lumpia. Pero ako na itong giluto ang lumpia, mga vegetable mga day kayo. Para sure tang luto sad siya. That's it. Actually, lami ning dynamite, pero sometimes hang ra kaayo. So, dili kay ko mapalit ani sa street food. I think, one time ra ko nakakaon ani street food. Yes, wala na dayon. So, I decided to make dynamite kay para ako mga pag-umangkon can also taste it because they don't also eat in the street food with the street food. Kaya other than nagtipid sila, this is the safe, no? We're able to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, wait, 23, 24. So, you are able to make 24 dynamite sa ato sa ning i-wrap. Okay? And we are going to make a banana turon. Kaya I bought this in carbon. Yeah. Hinog naman kayo siya. So, ato na lang siyang himuong banana turon. Para natay snacks later. Para isa ang prituhan. Dili kalas ang oil. Diba? Pag nagustuhan na dyan ko makaluto dahil di naging ko kaluto o breakfast. Like, akong maluto na. Inig ka morning kay wala. Mag-bread na lang ko and milk and the kids will just cook their own food. Test dinner, bala kapoy ko. So, I will find ways na magluto jud ko inig ka dinner. Para bawi-bawi sa mga breakfast and lunch nga dili tarong among food. Kay like magluto ako og mag-sardinas ra ko inig ka morning o diretso na siya lunch or outside na lang ko mukaon og lunch niya. Ang mga bata bahala nga sila. We have food man in the ref and we have so many canned goods here, so dagko na sad sila. Kay kapoy kay kuday. So we are going to divide the banana into 3. Taka nagdagko kayo. Kaya makaumay. So kani di pa kani siya ripe, igo-igo ra gid ni siya. Actually, I bought 3 kilos of bananas. Yeah. I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, divide by 3, 8, 16, 24. We can make 24 banana turon later. So, there you go. Our chicken feet is almost done also. Ako na ning gibalhin sa kaldero dahil kay para mabiyaan. And then, we are going to put slurry para mukapot-kapot siya gamay. Hangtod makapot siya mga daytas. Ato na dayon siya i-off. So, this consistency okay na ni. Kainiton na lang nato pag mukhaon na to for lunch. First mga day, nagluto sa taog rice. Going to wrap. Actually, I bought this in carbon. This is 45 pesos, 50 pieces unsalted. For chicken lumpia. This is actually made in car. So, yeah, we are going to separate this one para makarap ta. Tarong. So, dana na to. We'll separate each other. So, these are 50 pieces. Pero crispy na siya mga dahil. I don't know if this is still okay. But we'll just try. We'll first wrap the, what you call this? Kaneng dynamite. So, ang pag-wrap niya mga day, nanira. This simple. So, di ba kita? Yeah. And then, we're going to put slurry para madikit siya. Balo kung sakto ba akong pagka-wrap, pero we have dynamite. So So second. Sabaw na rin ko. So, i-fold any mo siya. Like this. Ano siya. Then, i-fold mo ang tumoy. And this is more clean and doable. Like this. Kana, i-fold nimo ang diri nga side gamay. I-fold nato ang diri nga side gamay. And then, wrap. Kailangan makita iyahang ikog ha. Fold diri sa front. Actually, mga daydagan may puppies. We have large breed and small breeds. Basin ganan mo buy. So, this is our Dynamite. So, that's number 3. So, we are now wrapping our vegetable lumpia. Igagmay lang nato kay para dili ta ma-stress kay ang lumpia wrapper is not fresh. Ano na siya? So, our next one is banana turon. So, we have banana. And then, supposed to be, we have to put langka or anything, pero wala na lang. We will just put sugar here. We were able to make banana turon, vegetable lumpia, and our Dynamite. So now we are going to fry it. Let's start with the Dynamite. So now let's start frying with our Dynamite. Hinay lang para maluto din ang pork inside. Because remember, we put ground pork and cheese inside. Dynamite, vegetable lumpia, and turon. So we have Lumpia Festival on Sunday. Maxim? That's it. Uy, ibahin ng sauce na, ng mayonnaise na.